Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart English. Today we're going to learn English in a fun and useful way. The topic is money, something that affects all of us every single day. Money is everywhere in our lives. We spend it, save it, and sometimes waste it. I'll teach you easy English words about money and share tips on how to budget and save. Let's start with spend. When you use money to buy something, you spend it. For example, I spend money on bread, milk, and coffee. When we spend, we should think about needs and wants. Needs are things we must have to live, like food, water, and a home. Wants are things we'd like to have but don't need to survive, like a new phone or fancy shoes. Understanding this helps manage your money better. Now let's talk about a budget. A budget is a plan for your money, showing your money in, like salary, and money out, like bills and food. You can make a budget with a notebook. Write money in on one side and money out on the other. This shows where your money goes. Small things like snacks add up quickly. Once you know your budget, you can start saving. Instead of buying coffee daily, make it at home. Cook dinner instead of eating out. Also use a shopping list. Write what you need before shopping to avoid buying extra wants. Small changes save a lot of money over time. Here's another important step. Set a saving goal. A goal gives you motivation, like wanting a new bike or a holiday. With a goal, choices are easier. Ask yourself, buy this cake now or save for my trip later? Goals make saving exciting. Here's a fun tip. Use a piggy bank or a jar. Put coins inside every day. You'll be surprised how much you save after a few months. It's like finding hidden treasure. Let's quickly review. 1. Know needs versus wants. 2. Make a simple budget. 3. Save money with smart choices. 4. Set a saving goal. 5. Use a piggy bank or jar for coins. These are easy steps for learning English and saving money. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. Tell me your saving goal in the comments. See you in the next Smart English episode. Bye for now.